Welcome to Rogersville Chevrolet, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram. Take a look at this Rubicon that we just got the other day. It's got 37-inch wheels. It's got metal fenders, aftermarket metal fenders. Has this aftermarket bumper. Super strong winch. I just checked it out this morning. It works. Had to tighten it up. Somebody had left it loose. It's got halo headlights, LED headlights, all kinds of features, lights galore, off-road lights, etc. Has metal running boards on it. Their pipe rail has got some nice stuff on the inside also, like this flag center deal. 55,580 miles on it right now. It's got a really nice sound system in it that sounds really good also. It's got this net catch thing. For one thing, if you have the T-tops out, this thing will keep rain off of you and let a little bit of sun, but not all the sun in. Of course, it's got the speaker bars in it. Rubicon embroidered seats. Interior's in excellent condition. Super nice, clean vehicle. Back seats are wonderful. Air in the back, windows roller downers in the back, USB-C and 115 volts available AC power in the back. Lots of nice little things like handlebar or hand grips. It's a soft top. Has extra features like this floor mat in the back, and a table that folds down in the back. You can put drinks on it, make sandwiches on it or whatever. It's pretty groovy, pretty neato.